Welcome to Drew Tutorials. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix developer options not available to hide here in Google Chrome. So once we go to developer options, so like click this one, go to settings, scroll down and developer options. As you can see, there's no way of hiding it or like a button to toggle it off, right? So once you enable it, like you can't turn it off easily. So what we're going to do is go to settings and then look for Chrome and then scroll down until you see storage. Click clear cache and as well as clear data. So just a heads up, if you do this, your bookmarks, saved settings, and other data like associated in the accounts, like the accounts that you signed in to Google Chrome, it will be deleted. So click clear data, click OK, and then once you go back to Chrome, and then go to settings again, and after scrolling down, and there you have it. There's no developer options anymore. There you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.